NUWE stock analysis and NUWE stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos over 5 years. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors, but at least I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially now, this is no bullish whatsoever. Actually, quite the opposite. It's bearish. For me specifically, bro, I had so many previous receipts with NUWE. Like, one result pops up in the Discord, but you can even see here, like a literal proof of me calling it out, that I have to share with you. This was made 4 weeks ago. This is where it was sitting at. I don't know why this doesn't want to... Yeah, okay, load it up. But yeah, since then, it's still a bearish market for me. If you want to stay tuned with NUWE and want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights. But when is it going to be more bullish, Mr. Siko? Well, maybe if it does break with a full candle close, you know, above, let's say, 60 cents, but now,